הגענו לקסניה, תכף תראו.
Welcome.
Hello.
Hello. This is homemade bread
Great.
with turmeric and curry. I like spices a lot. I try to make everything on my own because I like it on one hand and because it's not so practical because where we are totally isolated.
Yeah.
So I don't drive. It's not easy for me to just go in the bakery and buy things or in the whatever.
So you have to make it.
So I make everything on my own, yes.
אז קסניה הכינה לנו ברנץ', כן? זה Cretian brunch. With a homemade wine. So what do we have?
Yamas.
Yeah.
So we have, these are beans. We call them giant beans in Greek. Huh?
Yes.
Onion pies, caramelized onion. These are cheese pies in the oven. This is taramosalata. Okay.
Taramo, yeah.
You know, huh?
the
You know?
fish.
The fish eggs. And this is a salad that we call it politiki because the recipe comes from Izmir.
So if you want to have workshop
Yes?
with Xenia, just let us know.
We make this and many, many more.
Yes.
These are only samples.
Yes, exactly. Really, they are only samples. In the cooking class, it's so much more. You know, it's wine stuff, vegetable stuff, meat. These onion pies, we always make them because everybody likes them. And many, many more. Tzatziki, Greek salad, of course. Cretan salad, actually. So, I serve you, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.